Coastal county governments have been challenged to invest extensively in agriculture to create employment and spur the local economy. Speaking during the Jumuiya County Zapwani Agriculture Revitalization Summit in Mombasa, Kilifi Deputy Governor Flora Chibule noted that for coastal communities, agriculture remains to be a lifeline rather than an economic sector for families, adding that empowering women and youth will boost agriculture, expand markets and increase incomes.
Coast holds immense untapped potential, yet our strength must extend beyond production. It lies in how we organize farmers, strengthen cooperatives, invest in irrigation, reduce post-harvest losses, and improve access to finance and connect producers to competitive markets. This summit is therefore vital. It gives the coastal counties a united voice, enabling us to align policy, harmonize strategies, and share innovations, as well as strengthening collaboration between national and county governments, research institutions, regulatory agencies, and development partners. Together, we can position the coast as a competitive agricultural and agro-industrial hub within Kenya and beyond.
All right, with that, we've come to the end of this segment.